Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're closing out the third week of December. So let's just start. I wanted to say that I'm filming this on the 25th of December. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. We celebrate on the 24th, but if you're celebrating tonight, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a very wonderful, warm evening with your family and loved ones, or if you're celebrating alone, then just alone, or if you're not celebrating, just I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. So let's start with the expenses for this week. We had a little bunch of all colorful things you can see, and let's just start counting. So we'll start with groceries, and it was a total of, it's all the oranges, 28 euros and 57 cents. If you can hear the echo in my room, I'm so sorry, but I moved some furniture around. It's a bit less crowded in my room, so there might be an echo. For gifts, 30 plus 5 plus 14, 15 basically. So 50 euros for gifts. And then for fun, we had a 10. For beauty, we had 150. I went to a laser appointment. For charity, it was 30. For Christmas, it was 6. For health, 16.32. I bought some vitamins. And then we have spending, 320 plus 1 plus 350 plus 350 plus 450 plus 780 plus 3, 26.50. And for dine out, we had 10 plus 14.50 plus 22.50 plus 5.50, 52.50. So in total for the third week of December, we had expenses of 16.32, 369 euros and 89 cents. So it's okay. This is kind of the usual I have. So these are the expenses. And let's move on to the budget closeout. Our actual paycheck was 450, and that's what we worked with today. The actual amounts for the cash envelopes, let's check. I have a lot of coins in here. So for groceries, we have a rollover of so 10, 15, and 16. So we actually spent 29 in here. So spending has a rollover of 1, 2, and 3. So that was 27. And dine out has a rollover of, let's check, 10, 15, 16, and 17. So that's 53, I believe, that we spent. 53 indeed. So in buffer, we're not putting anything because it has 100, which is my kind of goal. So let's check. For cash envelopes, we actually had 109. And in total that we were left with 341 to budget. So here in short-term sinking funds, clothing had 10, health 20, beauty 20. So travel, we are adding all of the rollover we have in here. So 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. So we're adding 36 to what we had. So in total, that was 204. So let's quickly do that. Travel. Let's add into travel. Oh my god, I don't know how much we have in here. This is gonna be a lot of counting. So we have tens, and then where are the fives? Oh my god, there's a lot of bills in here. So let's check. Now in travel, we have 50, 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400. That was 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So 426 in travel. And let me quickly update the tracker so I don't forget. Today is the 25th plus 36, was it? 390 plus 36, 426 indeed. So that is the correct amount. And let's continue with the budget. So we added 204, gifts nothing, rollover had 25, and fund 15. So in total for short-term sinking funds, we had 294, and that left us with 47. So everything here stayed the same. And in other savings and miscellaneous, everything also stayed the same. So that was for week 3 of December. And now we can move on to the 4th and final week of December and of the year, which is insane to me. So the 26th of December we start with, and we end with the 1st of January. So for our income, we have a paycheck of 450. And then we will use our rollover money of 40 to also budget. And then we have all the extra side hustle income of 288 euros. So here it includes my Etsy income, my other job income, my coin challenge. I transferred all of that money into a bank and I took out those coins, all of like refunds, whatever. So this has kind of been accumulating over several months. So 288. So in total for income, this week we have 778 euros to budget. So we start with cash envelopes as usual. Groceries is going to get 45, spending 30, dine out 70, and buffer nothing for now. And we will see if we need to add after this week. So in total, I know that's 145, and we have left then 633 euros. And then next in short-term sinking funds, clothing is going to get 5, health 62, beauty 20, travel 402, gifts 10, rollover nothing, and fund 15. So with all of these amounts for this paycheck, I wanted to even out everything because after the cash stuffing, I'm filming a cash condensing, and it's easier to condense bills if the amounts are equal. So either divisible by 5 or end in a 0. I think that makes sense. So for short-term sinking funds, we have a total that we're stuffing of 514. So in total we have 119 left over. So for sure, long-term sinking funds, in car I'm putting 4, in home 9, emergency is going to get 15, savings nothing because we are done with our roll the dice savings challenge. If you don't know why, check out my, I think not the previous, but the video before the previous one where I set up my envelopes and budget for next year. And for that, I needed to kind of cancel out the savings challenge. So we're not putting anything there. In retirement, fully funded, stocks is fully funded. So pets is 9. Technology is going to get 24, weddings 9, and babies 9. So in total, long-term sinking funds are gonna get 79 euros. And that leaves us with 40 left to budget. So other savings and miscellaneous, Etsy isn't getting anything, charity isn't getting anything, tattoos and piercings is going to get a 15, 30 for 30 is going to get a 15 as well, and subscriptions is going to get a 10. So in total, that's 15, 30, and 40. So it means we have 0 euros left to budget, which means that we have allocated every euro income into a corresponding space. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me budgeting out this week's budget. This is going to be the final budget of 2022, which is insane. Please come back tomorrow to see me stuff this money, and then on Tuesday we're going to have a cash condensing video. We have a December budget and yearly budget closeout, and then we have a January budget with me setup where I'm going to reveal my monthly mystery kit for January. So that's very exciting. Stay tuned for all of that. If you're a new subscriber or a new viewer, hello, and Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. But yes, that was all today. And I once again wish you a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. If you're not celebrating, just have a wonderful weekend. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!